How secure is your business from cyber threats? Ever thought about it? In today's digital age, cybersecurity is not a luxury but a necessity. It is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks often aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, interrupt normal business processes, or even extort money from users. But why is cybersecurity so important? Well, with the increasing reliance on technology, the potential risks and damages from cyber threats have grown exponentially. A single breach can cause massive financial losses, damage a company's reputation, and even lead to legal consequences. Imagine having your business operations halted, your confidential data compromised, or your customers' trust shattered. Sounds terrifying, right? That's why understanding cybersecurity is paramount. It's not just about having a fancy firewall or antivirus software. It's about being aware, being prepared, and being proactive in protecting your digital assets. After all, understanding cybersecurity is the first step in protecting your business from potential threats. Every day, cyber threats evolve, becoming more complex and harder to detect. Now, let's dive into the common types of cyber threats. First, we have malware. Malware is the umbrella term for malicious software designed to inflict damage or unauthorized access to a computer system. It comes in a variety of forms, such as viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Each of these can disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to your system. For businesses, malware can lead to data breaches, system downtime, and even financial losses. Next, we have phishing. This is a scamming method where cybercriminals pretend to be legitimate organizations to trick individuals into providing sensitive data like passwords and credit card numbers. Phishing can be particularly damaging for businesses, as it can lead to the loss of sensitive customer data and damage the company's reputation. Third on our list is ransomware. As the name suggests, ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts a victim's files. The attacker then demands a ransom from the victim to restore access to the data upon payment. Businesses hit by ransomware can face massive financial losses, not only from the ransom, but also from the loss of business during the downtime. Lastly, there's social engineering. This is a tactic that manipulates individuals into carrying out specific actions or divulging confidential information. It's like con artistry, but in the digital world. Social engineering can lead to severe breaches in a business's cybersecurity, resulting in data theft and financial loss. Each of these threats can wreak havoc on a business, causing not only financial damage, but also potentially irreparable harm to a company's reputation. Cyber threats are not to be taken lightly. They are sophisticated, relentless, and constantly evolving, making them a formidable challenge for businesses of all sizes. Knowing these threats is a crucial step in strengthening your cybersecurity defenses. Understanding the enemy is half the battle won. In the next scene, we will explore the role of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. Stay tuned. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized many sectors, including cybersecurity. The marvels of AI have transcended beyond the realms of science fiction into our everyday lives, and cybersecurity is no exception. In the digital battlefield where cyber threats lurk around every corner, AI has emerged as a powerful ally. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, in a blink, AI can detect threats that would otherwise go unnoticed by human eyes. From identifying malicious activity patterns to predicting future attacks, AI plays a crucial role in fortifying our cyber defenses. But AI is not just about threat detection. It is also instrumental in devising rapid response strategies. When a cyber attack is detected, every second counts. AI, with its lightning-fast decision-making capabilities, can respond to threats in real time, minimizing the damage and protecting sensitive data. The advantages of using AI in cybersecurity are numerous. It offers speed, efficiency, and accuracy that are unparalleled. It can work round the clock, tirelessly, without the risk of human error. It can learn from each attack, becoming smarter and more resilient with every challenge it faces. But while AI has proven to be a formidable force in cybersecurity, it's not without its flaws. Just as it can be used to protect, it can also be exploited to attack. Hackers are finding ways to use AI to launch sophisticated cyber attacks that are harder to detect and counter. They are using AI to automate their attacks, making them faster and more devastating. They are even using AI to mimic human behavior, tricking security systems into thinking that their malicious activities are normal. So it's clear that AI is a double-edged sword in cybersecurity. It can either be your strongest ally or your biggest vulnerability. As we push the boundaries of what AI can do, we must also be vigilant about the risks it poses. We need to keep evolving our security strategies to stay one step ahead of the cyber criminals who are also harnessing the power of AI. Because in the end, the battle for cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's about the people who use it and how they choose to use it. AI is a double-edged sword in cybersecurity. It can either be your strongest ally or your biggest vulnerability. A robust cybersecurity strategy is a must for every business, regardless of size. In the digital age where data is the new gold, protecting this valuable resource is paramount. Businesses are prime targets for cyber criminals, with small and medium-sized enterprises being especially vulnerable due to often having less sophisticated security measures in place. So, how can businesses fortify their defenses against cyber threats? Let's delve into some best practices. First and foremost, regular system updates are crucial. It's like getting a flu shot for your digital infrastructure. Software manufacturers regularly release updates to patch security flaws and improve functionality. Outdated software is like an open invitation to hackers. So, don't procrastinate those updates, automate them if possible. Next up, employee training. Human error is a significant factor in many cyber attacks. Phishing emails, weak passwords, unsafe internet practices, these are all doors that an employee might unknowingly open for a cyber criminal. Thus, regular, in-depth training on cybersecurity practices is essential. Make sure your team knows how to spot a phishing email, why they should avoid using public Wi-Fi for work tasks, and the importance of strong, unique passwords. It's not enough to have a strong defense. You need a game plan for when things go wrong. This is where an incident response plan comes into play. It outlines the steps your organization will take in the event of a cyber attack. Who will be responsible for what? How will you communicate with customers? How will you recover lost data? Having a well-thought-out plan in place can mean the difference between a minor hiccup and a major catastrophe. Now let's talk about investing in advanced cybersecurity tools. With advancements in technology, cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated. To keep up, businesses need to invest in advanced cybersecurity tools. This might include firewalls, encryption tools, antivirus software, and more. For businesses dealing with highly sensitive data, it might also be worth looking into more advanced measures like biometric authentication or artificial intelligence-based security systems. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process of assessment, improvement, and adaptation. Conduct regular security audits to identify potential weak spots. Keep abreast of the latest cyber threats and adjust your strategy accordingly. Implementing these practices will significantly reduce your business's vulnerability to cyber threats. But it's important to remember that no system is entirely foolproof. However, by following these best practices, you can significantly bolster your defenses and make your business a harder target for cyber criminals. After all, in the world of cybersecurity, the best offense is a strong defense. In this digital age, no business can afford to take cybersecurity lightly. As we've journeyed through the realm of cybersecurity today, we've explored its importance and the common threats that lurk in the digital shadows. We've also delved into the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing security measures and the best practices that every business, regardless of its size or industry, should adopt. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. Cybersecurity is more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial component of your business strategy, a lifeline in the vast ocean of digital information. It's not just about protecting your data, but also about safeguarding your reputation and maintaining the trust of your clients. We've identified the common threats that businesses face today, from phishing and malware to ransomware and denial of service attacks. These threats are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. This reinforces the need for every business to stay updated on the latest security measures and to educate their staff about these threats. We've also highlighted how AI can help bolster cybersecurity defenses. AI isn't just a tool for the hackers, it's also a formidable ally for businesses. It can learn from past incidents, predict future threats, and respond in real time, providing an unparalleled level of protection. But remember, technology alone isn't enough. We've discussed the best practices that businesses should implement, from regularly updating software and backing up data to educating staff and implementing strong password policies. These practices, while simple, can significantly reduce the risk of a cyber attack. In conclusion, understanding cybersecurity and its various facets is not just a necessity, but a responsibility for every business. It's about staying one step ahead of the hackers, about building a wall of protection around your digital assets. Remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, prevention is always better than cure. Stay safe, stay secure.